Chocolate? Sophie, I think the leprechaun wants more milk again.
More milk. Upside down on the Sophie's green top. I'm stuck. He's stuck. What happened?
What happened?
I get more milk for the leprechaun.
More milk for the leprechaun.
That's better.
That's better. Thanks, Soph.
Where's my baby table? See?
Yeah, it's like a little baby table. Or a little table with a baby on it.
She's making a mess.
Yeah, she's making a mess. Aaron gave us those coasters.
What's that noises?
What's what noises?
That's my head making noises.
Your head is making noises?
We're here.
Oh, honey, I don't know what that means. Are you okay?
Wait, there.
Okay, let me look.
I shocked you.
Yeah, you shocked me.
I got you.
Oh, honey. Oh, my stomach. Oh.
I see your belly button.
Oh, okay. People need to see my belly button. Oh, Sophie. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.